Working online became a necessity nowadays. Yeah, at least you need some side job that you can do to survive in case there is some kind of lockdown or something like that. Yes, and also this digital approach gives you the possibility to travel around the world in case there is no lockdown. So whatever happens in the world, working online gives you more possibilities, more flexibility, more freedom. So today we will talk about 7 best online business ideas. And we will talk about simple ones that you can start right away without having a lot of knowledge, without having any money, to more complicated advanced business models. I'm Nadia, and on this channel I talk about business and self-development. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell not to miss more important information. The first business model is to become a tutor. You can teach anything. Like if English is your native language, then easily you can become an English teacher. And there are a lot of children who stay at home who need a tutor to help them with their school, to help them with their studies, to help them with English, with other languages as well. And there are also websites where you can register as a tutor and find a job pretty easily. Or you can contact people directly, or you can use different marketing models how to get clients here. And if you have any questions on that, leave me a comment in the description below and I will get back to you and help you out. The second online business model is online freelancing. And here you can also do a lot of things nowadays. You can do virtual assistants, for example. And there are a lot of companies who work online and who need somebody who organizes the whole business, so to say, who is managing and contacting the whole team and making sure that everything is on time. Yeah. So virtual assistants has become very popular nowadays. And basically everybody can do that if you have some discipline and if you are a more or less organized person. You can do also social media marketing, you can do proofreading, you can do video editing, you can make photographs, transcribing. There are really so many jobs you can do online, and there are also websites where you can just register as a freelancer and connect with your potential clients or use other methods to find clients. If you have any questions on that, also please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. I myself did a lot of online translation in the past. I speak English, German, and Russian is my native, so I found this job quite easy. So I've tried this business model and worked pretty fine with me. The next is to start a YouTube channel. It's also easy. I have a link in the description below to a series of videos of mine on how to make a YouTube channel, how to make money on YouTube. YouTube is a business and you have to treat it as a business from the beginning. And here you can do a lot of things. You can promote whatever business you are doing. Yeah. If you're a tutor, you can make a YouTube channel on teaching English, for example. Yeah. Or there are so many other ideas. Yeah. If you need any help with that, let me know. I will be happy to help you. And on top, when you reach the monetization criteria, you can get money directly from YouTube from placing ads on your channel. The next business model is coaching and consulting. And here you can think which kind of expertise you have, which kind of knowledge, what is your profession, and so on. And online consulting is very popular. In my case, among other things, because my mom is a traveling expert, we consult on traveling. We provide people with information how to make the best out of their vacation. So if you are going to visit some country and if you don't know which places to visit, like what to see, and if you don't want to miss anything special there, make sure to contact us and we will provide you with information where you will have all in one package, like where to go, what to see, how to get there, and even where to stay, in which hotels and so on. No matter which country you're going, make sure you reach us out before you go in there. Think about what you can give to the world. What is your experience? I'm sure you can consult on things that other people don't know about. You just have to find your niche, your audience, the people who need your knowledge. And you can use different social media for that. You can use Instagram, you can use YouTube. I talk a lot about it on this channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow and stay here so you get more valuable information on how to make money on Instagram, how to make money on YouTube, and so on, how to find your clients on social media. The next business model is affiliate marketing. And this one you can also start with no money or not much experience, but you need some marketing experience for that. And there are a lot of companies who have affiliate programs. Make sure you choose those that you like yourself, that belong to your niche, so that you do not try to sell things to people they are not interested in. You know, if you have an Instagram account on traveling, you should not sell cooking recipes there. Yeah? So make sure you have some logic behind your affiliate marketing strategy. And if you have more questions about it, make sure you check the description below and I will get back to you. I also do affiliate marketing, and if you check the links in the description below, I'm sure you will find a few links to some affiliate programs, to the services and products that I find myself great, and I share, this possibility with you. And affiliate marketing is a great way of promoting other people's businesses and getting commission from it, from getting clients for those companies. So kind of like you're working for those companies and you don't have to create your own product. And if you like the product, it actually is a very good job. So if you're good in sales, affiliate marketing could be one of the best business models for you, and you don't even have to invest anything at all. The next business model is selling things on Amazon. And Amazon has a great program for selling things, and you can find almost anything on Amazon. And if you sell things on Amazon, it requires knowledge and it requires financial investments. You can start with a couple of $1,000 to make a pretty good business on Amazon. But make sure you really get the knowledge first. I don't do Amazon FBA so far because I think I'm more a service person than a product person. But it can be that in the future I'm inspired to sell some product. It should be something I believe in, I really like, and I want to sell it. So the main idea of this business model is that you find some pretty cheap products, like in China, and then you brand them, but it should be quality products. And then you brand it, and then you sell it on Amazon. So you do all the marketing, you do all the branding. You can get quite successful here, and you can get a lot of profit out of this model, but make sure you get the right knowledge before you go into it. In my case, I sell my book on Amazon. Selling books on Amazon is not a very complicated business model, and it's a great way to share your experience, to share your knowledge, and to share things about you that you cannot share otherwise. Even a video like YouTube doesn't give this possibility. I was very excited to write a book on personal development. I talk more about it in here. And make sure you check the link to my book in the description below. And there I talk a lot about personal development, about my journey, about my life experience, about my family, and so on. I'm an introverted person. I don't talk too much about myself. And in this book, I put so much information about me, about my experience, about personal development, and my way of approaching it that usually you don't find it, even if you know me in person. So writing books is a great way to share your knowledge. I would really recommend it. And it's also an interesting business idea. You usually don't make that much money on selling books, but it still can be some side business for you. And it's very inspiring and it's very interesting to do so. If you need any help with writing a book, let me know. And the last business model I want to talk about today is creating an online course. When you do consulting online, you basically trade your time for money. And if you create an online course, you put a lot of investment, you put a lot of time into creating this product, but then you can sell it as many times as you want. So it gives you much more freedom, and you don't have to always book your time with consulting sessions. And I'm thinking of creating an online course myself. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me so you will not miss this moment when my online course is out. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a like. In this case, YouTube will show it to more people. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment, and watch some other videos of mine on business, on personal development, and I will see you next Wednesday.